What's up guys, this is Julius again from Ojasweb Digital Solution. In this video I want to show you the 5 best SEO channels on YouTube in 2019. If you are looking for a place to learn SEO from A to Z, these channels are completely recommended for you and you can learn everything about SEO absolutely for free. I have 5 of them and I'm going to start from the number 5, and at the end of everything you'll be able to use the strategies to grow your business and rank your website high. The 5th one on my list is Backlinko. Backlinko is about SEO. You can go to the channel at any time to watch the videos and learn about SEO at your convenient time. Backlinko has everything you need to know about SEO from A to Z, irrespective of what you're trying to run on the internet. Whether you're trying to rank videos on YouTube or you try to rank your local business, Backlinko has information for you. Now I'll go straight to the playlist. Though they have a very short playlist, however, the information there are very crucial for you to be able to rank high on search engine. You can go ahead and click on any of the playlists and watch the video and learn about the new strategies and how you can grow your business on the internet. The next one I have on my list is Moz. Moz.com is a very popular SEO provider in the world, and they deal a lot about SEO and almost everything you need to know in order to be able to make a successful website and rank your business high on Google. On YouTube, you can go to Moz channel and learn everything about SEO. The interesting thing about them is they deal with all the best practices about SEO. You can go to the channel and you see all the latest videos they uploaded on the channel. You can click on the videos and watch at your own convenient time and learn all the best practices about SEO. There are so many playlists on their channel. You can go there, click on any of the playlists at your convenient time, watch the video and learn how to implement the strategy to grow your business on the internet. The next one I have on my list is Ojasweb SEO. Ojasweb SEO is a complete SEO provider. On YouTube, they are very popular and they have some videos you would like to watch in order to learn about the latest strategies on how you can use SEO to grow your business on the internet. You can see their video, you can watch any of the video to master SEO from A to Z, and you can go straight and learn any of this at your own convenient time absolutely for free. These are some of the videos on their channel. They even feature some of the top providers in the industry, and I can take you straight to their playlist. You see, though they have a very short playlist, however, the information there are very crucial and they can help you to learn more about SEO and use the strategy to grow your business on the internet. And the next one I have on the list is Ojasweb TV. Ojasweb is a very popular website that deals exclusively on SEO. I take you straight to their channel and you see the playlist. You can learn everything about SEO from their site. It talks about YouTube SEO, local SEO, normal on-page SEO, and everything you need to know about SEO. And the interesting thing about these channels is you can learn everything absolutely for free. And the number 1 on my list, which is the final in this particular video, is the Nepate channel. Search anything about SEO on YouTube and you're likely going to find Nepate as the number 1 on the list. This is a very big player in the SEO industry, and I strongly recommend this channel for you if you want to master SEO from A to Z. Go to the channel and see the latest videos. Nepate posts videos almost every day, and you can go there and learn everything about SEO. And the interesting thing about him is he also posts anything about marketing, including email marketing, social media marketing, and other marketing strategies that you can use to grow your business on the internet. Right now on the playlist, you see there are so many playlists there. You can go there and click on any of the playlists, watch the video, learn about SEO, and implement this strategy to grow your business on the internet. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope this will make it easy for you to locate any SEO channel very easily on YouTube. Thanks again and bye for now.